In this video, I'm going to talk about TVision, which is an Android TV from T-Mobile, and also I'm going to compare it with Google Chromecast with Google TV. So this is the TVision that T-Mobile sent out with the home internet package. If you haven't watched the home internet from T-Mobile, you can click here. This is the dongle from TVision. It also connects with the HDMI cable to your TV. They are basically the same size. There's a button on the TVision as well, and also there's a connection for power. We have the remote control, which is a little bit taller than what we have on Google Chrome, way taller. We have some numbers, we have the Google Assistant, power on input, stuff like that. Google Chromecast is pretty much enough in terms of controlling what I need. Power adapter, a USB cable for power. On Chromecast, the power connection is USB Type-C. On TVision, it's micro USB. Let's connect them to the TV and see what happens. So we should press both of them at the same time. So I guess it's searching. Okay, you got connected with the remote. It's booting up. Yep, TVision logo. So we have two options, TV and TVision hub. So TV is recommended, controls the volume with the hub, remote using IR blaster. So the remote, as you can see, it has the IR blaster on top. So basically it will control the TV for the volume and stuff like that. So this one is just controls the hub volume, not the TV or the soundbar. So we have to go with the TV, which is recommended. Oh, now you have to put a TV model. Okay, mine is Vizio. We have two power on the remote. So the white one is controlling the TV. Okay, yeah, that worked. So we're pressing the input. Yeah, it will actually bring up the input. Yep, the volume worked as well. We are in, yeah. So yeah, this is the interface of TVision. So we have on top we have the Google Voice command right up there, and if I press it, I can say anything and it will search for it. So it just gave me a recommendation based on what I said. And if you come down here, we have the apps. You can go in there. We have some apps pre-installed: Google Play, YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix, and we can also get more apps through Google Play Store. The type of apps that you can install is the streaming apps, not just any app. It should be Google TV capable and compatible, basically. As you can see, it's all of them. Most of them are like streaming apps for different networks that you can use. You can even use Peloton here. Streaming, all is streaming, yeah. Pretty much mostly streaming services. And we have some games here too that you can play with the remote control. That is good as well, but I'm not sure if the performance is gonna be good, because on Google Chromecast that I have, the performance is not great. I would assume it will be the same thing here as well. Yeah, we have some games that you can play with the gamepad as well. It doesn't look good comparing to Chromecast. It's just like looking cheap comparing the elegancy of Google Chromecast. Open Netflix.
Launching Netflix on the living room TV.
Yeah, so I can select any show that I want and watching Netflix, Squid Game. Quality is good. No complaint here. Let's go forward. Loading, super fast loading. I mean, if your internet is good, this device is working very good. Let's go YouTube. Yeah, so...
This episode is sponsored by ButcherBox. ButcherBox delivers 100% grass-fed beef, free-range organic chicken.
So far, the quality is really good. I mean, I have no complaint.
I got 4 lovely ribeyes.
Same exact thing that I get from Google Chromecast. Yeah, as far as the remotes goes, you get more options on the TVision. So we have Netflix right here, Netflix and YouTube right here, same as TVision. The other thing is you can also control the TV and sound system on TVision remote, but we cannot do that on Google Chromecast. You cannot control the volume on Google Chromecast, but you cannot turn it on and off. But it doesn't matter, because if you turn on the Google Chromecast, it will turn on the TV as well. That's not a big deal. They have the Google Assistant on both of them, and both of them working pretty good as far as the voice recognition goes. So let's press the DVR and see what the DVR does. It's gonna be YouTube TV or Philo. I never heard of Philo, and you can try it for free. You get live TV and stuff like that. I like the Google Chromecast remote, which is smaller and you can do everything you want. You don't really need these tall and extra buttons that they put on the TVision. But the TVision came free with the home internet, so I have no complaint about that. There's no advantage of using the TVision over Chromecast. I'm getting the better experience on Google Chromecast as well. And this is what I'm talking about. This is the interface that you're getting on Google Chromecast, Google TV. Some recommendation on the For You page. You can go to the movies and it only recommends the movies. You can get the streaming services, apps on here. I have the HBO Max, Disney, Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Prime. I can also get the NordVPN installed on this as well. Same thing, you can get that on TVision as well. Like I said, most of them are going to be streaming apps, because it's Google TV. It's not going to be like your phone or tablet. The most important page would be the For You page. Some of the shows that you've been watching on the apps, you can continue watching them. Just some recommendation, and it's super fast, super easy. You get recommended videos from YouTube. As far as the performance goes, it will be the same exact thing that you're gonna get with the TVision. There wasn't much differences. If you want to choose between these two, I would go with the Google Chromecast with Google TV. You get a really good and nice interface with lots of customization. You're not getting that interface on TVision. The usage scenario is going to be the same. You get the same apps, same streaming services, same functions, but the main difference would be just the interface you're getting on Google Chromecast. If you're getting the Google Home Internet and they offer it in the package, that's a win-win for everyone. Both of them are good in terms of the performance. Make sure to leave a comment with your question about Google TV or TVision in general, and I will answer your question to the best of my knowledge. And I will see you guys in the next video.